Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete your Facebook account from your Android phone. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to delete your Facebook account, let's open up our Facebook app first. And after opening your Facebook app, your interface will be similar to this. Now to delete your Facebook account, you can see the three-lined icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on your three-lined icon, and when you land on this interface, scroll down and you can see the settings and privacy option available over here. Tap on settings and privacy, and again tap on settings. You can see the personal and account information over here just under the category account. Tap on personal and account information, and after that, after you land over here, you can see the account ownership and control. Tap over account ownership and control, and when you get here, you can see the deactivation and deletion option available at the second one. Tap on deactivation and deletion, and after that, tap on delete account again, and again tap on continue to account deletion. Tap over there, and after that, choose a reason, or you can just continue to account deletion without choosing a reason to delete. And let's continue. And you can see you can also deactivate your account. Go to your activity log to download some info or transfer your information. And if you tap on delete like this, you will be required to enter your password, and then tap on continue to delete your Facebook account permanently from Facebook. But it will take about 30 days to delete your data from Facebook permanently. And then guys, this is how you delete your Facebook account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.